Eduardo Danding Murphy Cojuangco Jr., born on June 10, 1935, June 16, 2020, was a Filipino businessman and politician. He was the chairman and CEO of San Miguel Corporation, the largest food and beverage corporation in the Philippines and Southeast Asia. He served as a Philippine ambassador and governor of Tarlac. In 2016, his personal wealth was estimated at 1.16 billion United States dollars. And it was estimated that at one time, his business empire accounted for 25% of the gross national product of the Philippines. Eduardo Murphy Cojuangco Jr. was born on June 10, 1935, the firstborn child of Eduardo Chichioco Cojuangco and Josephine B. Murphy. He completed his high school education at De La Salle College. He attended up Las Barras and California Polytechnic State University, San Luis Obispo. Cojuangco's close relationship with Philippine President Ferdinand E. Marcos earned him a reputation as one of the late dictator's most powerful cronies. He was called one of the country's leading businessmen. Cojuangco was the only civilian among the Rolex 12, a group of 12 men, who planned and enforced the 1972 imposition of martial law. He was accused of being the mastermind behind Benigno Aquino Jr.'s assassination by one of the military men convicted in the Aquino-Galman murder case, although Aquino's daughter Cris has stated that whomever she believes killed her father, she could categorically say not Danding Cojuangco. When Ferdinand Marcos was ousted by the People Power Revolution in February 1986, Cojuangco was flown out of the country and into exile along with the Marcos family and Fabian Ver, departing in the early morning of February 25, 1986. Cojuangco was allowed to return in 1989, having spent most of his exile breeding and racing horses in Australia. In 1992, Cojuangco founded the Nationalist People's Coalition to serve as his vehicle. To further his aspirations in the 1992 presidential elections, he was a candidate for the Philippine presidency in 1992, ultimately losing in a tight election to Fidel V. Ramos. Ramos received 23.6% of the vote. Miriam Defensor Santiago came in second with 19.7%, and Cojuangco came in third with 18.2%. He further tested the political waters in 2003, intending to run in the 2004 presidential election, but soon withdrew. He eventually became chairman emeritus of the NPC, wielding influence that earned him a reputation as a kingmaker in Philippine politics. Cojuangco was the eldest child of Eduardo C. Cojuangco, Sr. and Josephine B. Murphy, his mother, the daughter of an Irish-Canadian U.S. Army volunteer who married a Filipina woman, was born and raised in Baguio, his father, Eduardo Sr. The son of Malesio Cojuangco, was of Chinese descent. He was married to Soldad Gretchen Oppen of Negros Occidental. They had for children Margarita Tina Cojuangco Barrera, Luisa Lisa Cojuangco Cruz, Charlie Cojuangco, and Marcos Mark Cojuangco. Although later separated, the couple remained legally married. Even after the Philippine Star reported in March 2018 that Cojuangco was living with 1996 Binibining Pilipinas Universe winner Eileen Damels and their 2 daughters. Cojuangco died on June 16, 2020, of heart failure and pneumonia at the St. Luke's Medical Center, Global City, -1 days after his 85th birthday. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.